I've got Concord needles, brand new ones, hardly used. I should have bought them as well. The vinyl's jumping. The vinyl is jumping.
Again, cut too loud because slightly distorted again. But I know you don't mind that. But yeah, it's jumping. I can hear it jumping. Listen, look, I've got the weight full on, Concord, and it will jump.
People's going to be screwing, man. Kraken's going to be laughing. And will the people want to wait? Gotta let the people know, man.
You can hear it jump in the grooves, you can hear it struggling. Right, I'll take the weight off and do it again now.
Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video. Now, I've got a bit of a pain in the butt news to mention. It's a slight setback. I'd say, you know, slight issue with the vinyl. I got the vinyl the other day, put it onto the record deck, and it had a couple of jumps on the Twisted Mentasm side, which I wasn't really happy with. Now, to be fair, I was using one of the Pro Sound suitcase decks. It wasn't a proper turntable in my opinion. However, I did have other records that I played on the same deck, and they seemed to play totally fine. So, you know, I've got to be fair in this. It also looked like the vinyl was slightly warped. So I got onto to Diamond Black and informed them about the situation. Also got onto the guys over at Final Tweak that did the cut. And they're actually looking into it at the moment. So we are at a minor setback, guys. I mean, this is the music industry, this is the recording industry. These things do happen. You know, obviously, all things considered, I've been quite chill about it, but you know, these things do happen in the music industry. So anyway, story goes, went over to see, turns out the vinyl didn't look that warped after all. It was because I had a pretty crappy turntable in the first place to check it out on. So I've gone over to TDK's place, we checked out the record, but again we were still getting jumping. So forwarded over to my man Marlon. I know he's got a cool setup over there as well for the vinyl. He put it on his Shaw needle that he uses only for checking TPs, and it's a very rare and expensive needle. You can only get it blah blah whatever. He's got that all sort of sussed out, and he's also got a brand new Concord needle, and both needles are jumping on the Twisted Mentasm. So rather than put this out, I'd rather have some element of quality control. We also noticed this on the Rough Cut 12 as well, so there was also a slight issue with that as well. So I'm just doing this video just to let you guys know that my man T says this is the 20th century now, and you know, we just want good vinyl. You know, get what we pay for. We want quality. We had labels that were slightly off center that we weren't happy with, so we have put in a complaint with these guys and just said, look, quality control, we need quality control for this vinyl to be going out. I want everything to be ship sharp. Everyone's done a good job so far, you know. Big up Diamond Black so far for being there for us, helping us out, giving us a pretty fast turnaround. I know they're busy, I know they're rushed off their feet, etc. And also Shane and the guys, they, you know, and man like Daps on the mastering, they get us all in as quick as possible, get this all moving forward. And just got a message from Shane. Shane assured me that they're on it right now, and they're getting onto it, and they're going to get this all sorted. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. This video is all about keeping you guys posted, because Brain Records, remember, is the label funded by the people, and I want to make sure that, you know, your pledges and investments are looked after properly, being the assigned manager. So guys, I'll keep you posted. That's it for today's video. Take care, God bless, peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.